Do you want to watch YouTube videos on your Galaxy Watch and also want to use Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and other apps on your Galaxy Watch? Well, don't worry, you can do it. Yes, you can use all these services on your smartwatch. And how? I will tell you. Yes, you can use YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and other apps on your Galaxy Watch from Galaxy Watch 4 to Galaxy Watch 8. So, without any further delay, let's jump to the video. Friends, just note that these are not the official apps. Yes, I'm not talking about official apps, but there is a way by using it you can use all these services. And how? I will tell you. Just follow these simple steps. So here is my Galaxy Watch. On your Galaxy Watch, you have to tap on Play Store. Here, go to Play Store and tap on it. In the Play Store, you have to search for Samsung Internet Browser. Yes, friends, you have to go to Samsung Internet Browser. Here, search for Samsung Internet Browser. Now search it. After that, you have to install Samsung Internet Browser or just Samsung Browser on your smartwatch. Just tap on it and let it install. Here you can also read its information. It is official Samsung Internet Browser, so you don't have to worry about it. It will let you use all the apps and its services on its smartwatch. Yes, you can use Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Telegram, or any other websites, popular websites on your smartwatch. So you should install it. Let it install, and after that we will open it. Here you can see the speed of internet is also better. So in few seconds it will install. Now after installing, now open it. And here you can browse any websites or services on your smartwatch, like YouTube. For YouTube, it has given us shortcuts or bookmarks, so just tap on it and it will open. Here you can see, now you can search for any favorite song or search for any recommended songs. You can also search by typing, or you can use voice command. Yes, you can use any type. And also you can browse shorts. Just tap on it and all the recommended or popular songs shorts. Here I have searched for popular songs and it has shown me all the popular songs right now. And it will show you all the shorts video. You can play it right from your smartwatch by using speaker, or you can also attach Bluetooth connection like earbuds or Bluetooth earbud. Here you can see, just swipe and it will show the other one. Here you can see. You can also like it, comment, or share it. The experience is same as your smartphone. You can also log into it and you can also browse your favorite music. Now let's look for Twitter. Here you can see we can search for X or Twitter. Just click on it and it will open Twitter account. Now here it will give you sign in option. Just click on it. Now here you can give your sign in details. Let me give it sign in detail. After login, I will show you. Here you can see I have successfully logged into my Twitter account or X account. Let me load it first. It is showing all the recommended posts. Here you can see. Also it is showing ads. Yes, you can see it here. And also it is loading all the images inside the post. Here is my following tab. In the following, you can see all the accounts I have followed and also the images and the links. Yes, it is showing everything. So you can say it is a rich content. Here, just tap on it and you can read that post or that image. Here. You can also repost it, like it, or you can also see its view. Just scroll down below. If you want to tap on it and read full story, then you can also do it here, or you can also subscribe to it. Right? You can also read its replies and also reply to it. Right? Same you can do for Instagram. You can open Instagram account. You can watch Instagrams. You have to sign up to its account. After that, we will see Facebook account. Here, by searching for facebook.com, you can also go to Facebook and open your account. Same as Instagram and Twitter, you have to first log into it and after that you can browse it. Not like youtube.com. YouTube let you use its services like videos, shorts without logging to it. But these all three like Instagram, Twitter and Facebook ask you for your login ID and after that they will let you in. So make sure to first sign into it and after that you can. I hope now you understand everything. For such amazing tips on your Galaxy Watch, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Now see you in the next video. Thank you.